because people don't understand this. They will follow the world of pro bass fishing and they will follow the sport, and new things come out. There's Carolina rig, Texas rig, jerk bait, spy bait, swim bait. It would take you guys forever. I mean, you guys, the general public, not the pros, the elites that have 300 days on the water. It would take you forever to dial those in to the level needed to where you can actually then also understand when and where. I focus more time just getting better at those few instead of learning all the other stuff until it's something is proven that you need it. You know what I mean? That you really, really need it.